Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first tonight, slain UTECH student Anissa Dilworth was laid to rest today in Wat Town, Sinan. Her funeral brought together grief, anger, and cause for justice. Inside the Jarton Baptist Church today, grief, memories, and unanswered questions. The final farewell for 20-year-old Anissa Dilworth, who went missing on May 6. 11 days later, skeleton remains believed to be hers were found on a beach in Portmore, St. Catherine. 29-year-old Jamar Grant has since been charged with her murder. The funeral program painted the picture of a vibrant student, Anissa's bright smile frozen in time.
The circumstances surrounding her death was tragic, very tragic. She was killed and discarded in the most wickedest way. We will never forget what happened until we get some justice.
A plea from Anissa's uncle for change in how missing persons cases are handled.
Not against any entity. But when reports are made to the police and somebody is missing, this notion that you're going to money yard need to stop. You know what I mean? If we know our children and we say, check this out, this kind of lazy fear, nonchalant, disrespectful attitude needs to stop.
Anissa had just completed her first year in pharmaceutical technology at the University of Technology. Her lecturers and peers remembered her as determined, caring, and full of potential.
From the beginning, Anissa showed great interest in making a difference, not only in her future profession, but also in the lives of others. She was an active member of the UTECH Pharmaceutical Technology Students Association and played a meaningful role in the association's outreach efforts.
UTECH will host a special tribute in her honor, where the Anissa Dilworth Memorial Scholarship will be launched to support students pursuing pharmaceutical technology.